In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find Lidl job openings. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and visit the official Lidl careers website for your country. On the careers page, use the search tool to browse available positions. Enter your job title, keyword, or department if you are looking for a specific role. You can also filter results by location, job type, or area of the business to narrow your search. Browse a list of available vacancies and click on any position that interests you. Read the job description carefully, including the responsibilities, qualifications, working hours, and benefits. If the role is good fit, click apply to begin the online application process. If you don't find a suitable position right away, click the careers page regularly as the new vacancies are added throughout the year. You can also visit your local Lidl store and ask where they are currently hiring, as store staff may be able to direct you to current opportunities or the appropriate careers page for your reason. And that's it. This way you can easily find Lidl job openings. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.